Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today we're going to have a real quick discussion about running shoes. So these are a pair that I got from REI that I just want to talk about real quickly. So these are the Brooks Ghost 14 and these are actually, I've had these for about 3 months now and put about 350 to 400 miles on them, and I just want to talk about them. Long story short, I do like these a lot. In fact, I like them so much that I actually ordered a few more pairs because they just went on sale. So in fact, let's just go ahead and take a look at how they come from REI. So here's the box. Actually, interesting, I ordered 2 pairs of this. So here's one of them, and the other one shipped in a completely separate type of container. I only ordered them a few days apart, so I find that kind of interesting. So let's take a look at what a brand new pair of these guys look like. I think normally they're around $100 a pair, maybe a little more, but these went on sale for about 70 each, so that's why I kind of wanted to pick up some extra ones because I do go through them somewhat quickly. So yeah, here is the shoe. Yeah, I don't think we need to stand on circumstance. They are just, I really like them for the visibility, right? As you can clearly see, these show up quite nicely on the road. So there's another pair. Brand new. And then let's take a look at this other one. I think it's probably the exact same. All right, it's just interesting that they shipped it slightly differently. Yep, there we go. So again, here's another pair of them, and these ones seem the same thing. Yep, that's great. Yep. Okay, so nothing super duper fancy about them. Obviously, you can see they do pick up dirt a little bit though, although not quite as much. You know, here in the Pacific Northwest, running through a lot of rain and mud and whatnot, you can see that there, you know, the brand new one to the used one is not too horrible. So let's talk about these. So the reason I got to get these replaced is, as you can see, the durability, you know, this is standard for a pair of running shoes. I think I've put on about 350 miles on these. I track them using my watch, right, in terms of how much mileage, and Garmin Connect automatically recalls how many runs you've done and all that kind of stuff. So you can see that, yeah, the heel on the right shoe is wearing off. So that needs a replacement to some better treads. But this is about par for the course, like I said, for running shoes. So this is my current set of shoes. I have had, you know, some Asics in the past that I've had the same issue. So these pair I've had about 400 miles, so a little bit higher mileage. Same thing, you can see I seem to wear things off on the right heel. And then I've got actually another pair of even older shoes, another pair of Asics here that I also run with, and these ones you can actually see same thing. So that it seems to be my stride pattern as I wear these off. So anyway, that's why I picked up these guys. So the Brooks 14, I like them a lot. They're great. Let's go ahead and try on a new pair and go get a couple miles on, and we'll be back to talk a little bit more about them. So these are pretty standard running shoes, not much to say other than I do like the amount of support. I never have any pain after running in them. I typically do about 90% of my miles on the road, maybe 10% on trails, so they seem to perform well in all conditions. I've gone down some pretty steep, kind of slippery hills on both pavement and trail, and never have had a problem with these pair of shoes. All right, so there you have it. I'm about, 400 miles in, 2 pairs, about 4 months of usage, and I really do like these shoes. In fact, these are my, pair number 2. I just went for my first run, and it was actually I did a half marathon. I did a full, 13.1 miles, and these feel great. So no blisters, no pain points, nothing like that. So again, yeah, I'm pretty thrilled with them. The only thing that could maybe be a little bit better is the durability, right? These do seem to only be between 300 to 400 miles. So take that for what you will. I do like the fact that they were on sale for about $70, so that is great. The other thing that I should maybe mention is I also have a fairly narrow foot, so this shoe is good for that. It's not a wide shoe, so you can actually crank down the laces pretty well, and my narrow foot seems to work quite well in these. So with that being said, I think this is probably a great spot to leave it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Remember, the new videos come out every Monday, and I look forward to seeing you at one of these future discussions, and we can all learn something new together. So until then, I think I'll sign off. Talk to you later. Bye.